Oh, the other dude left. It's literally just us.
Yeah, we get it, man. This ain't creepy. Why did you put the bag here? Do we want handicap? Oh, man, you got good. Okay, we just gotta whoop. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. You wanna try with my ball? Yeah, no.
No.
I'm thinking it's gonna be a no on that one.
What are we at right now?
Everyone ignore my phone. I'm better than this. I'm not better than this. This is where I am in life.
How do I can't, there we go. Zoom,
that
zoom,
one.
there we go.
We're working on it. It's not filming right now. Cut the cameras, cut the cameras.
Let's try it, see how this goes.
Wait, get a strike, get a strike, get a strike.
Let's go, Meg. Hey.
I got 2 lines and you get strikes now. Keep your line,
The one in the corner I'm never gonna get.
well, you might get the middle one. Yeah, we really hope you get the middle one. Oh my gosh. Low-key Meg might be me. Oh.
Oh. Let's go, Meg. You got it.
That's kind of pathetic, not gonna lie. I'm gonna lose! Considering I started off with like 3 times in a row where I only hit one, I didn't hit any actually.
Let's go, Meg. Come on. Oh. Oh.
Is it gonna give her another?
Yeah, it should. It should. She should get another one. See, yeah, you get a 3rd one. So now this is just like free points, however many you can get.
Let's get strike. I'm gonna try. I literally lost.
I swear, she gets a strike. Oh, that was good. Oh, hey. Okay, and the final scoreboard.
I'm back, dog. You're so pathetic.
Wow.
I'm so sorry. Is that game?
That is game.
Solid. Yeah, podcast, go. Hey everybody, hey, welcome back to our daily podcast. It's SNS. Shannon and Sahana.
Heyo.
Heyo. Today we're discussing bowling. Did you know bowling was invented in the back in the day?
Whenever this music era is.
Yeah. The music that's playing right now was recorded back in the day and was only kept. What do you zooming in and out?
Yeah, just a bit.
Just a
Meg
bit.
having fun with the Zoom.
I am.
Clickety clack.
Hi.
Oh, Meg.
Edit sad rain with the gray screen.
Yeah, I will. I'm not editing this. Shannon, you will.
Okay.
You know what I'm talking about, they're like.
Yeah. I know what you mean.
Darkness far away.
What are we? Anything else?
Anything else you got out, Shannon?
I won.
So we're cutting it right here. Anyways, goodbye. Goodbye.
The triangle said. Oh.
Sahana! I thought you were bad at this. Did you hold it differently this time?
No.
And that's
I think Shannon films the gutter. You really have. Shannon all the last time.
You're just
Oh!
People are actually good.
Oh!
We've been out here like, okay.
Speed.
Yeah, Shannon, show them what you got.
To compare the duality. The duality of dogs.
so that you can change your tricks.
How was it? What is that?
So then I won.
What the?
That's right.
Yeah, no, she got a spare. Those people next to us, intimidating.
Oh!
No!
Thank
It
goodness.
was so good last game. Whoa!
Go for it.
The attempt was there. Can you miss
again now? Like, can you do that again?
That was a good one.
That's good.
Oh, you're gonna get it.
This is where we're at right now.
I would have been shocked.
That's good. Alrighty. Final total.
Sweetie, Meg is on.
Bro!
This gives me very much crazy energy.
Dog, I'm just sorry. I can't.
What the heck? I haven't gotten a single one of our strikes on video.
Dang. Did you get that one or not?
No.
Dog.
Then we strike.
Exactly.
Oh, that was straight on.
Oh, good.
Miles and miles under clear blue skies, we drive straight as a narrow flies. Nowhere to be, no dreams to chase tonight. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right. You and I, our heads up in the clouds. We caught up with the birds flying south. Nothing to see as the day turns into night. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right. We got time to waste, let's waste it right.
Alrighty, final score.
It would have been really funny if I got a strike.
We ready?
So funny.
Meg made it to 100.
The two winners dropped to the bottom.
Yup.
Hey.
Meg got over 100.
Maggie.
Tamar did well. Sahana got a perfect 50 and Shannon was just in the middle.
We all have pretty satisfying numbers.
Yeah. We did good, folks.
Good job, guys.
Fun game.
Haha, Tamar didn't win.
I got here like an hour after you. You had an hour to practice. Oh, sorry.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean. The summer air by the seaside, the way it fills our lungs, the fire burns in the night sky. This life will keep us young, yeah, keep us young. And we will sleep by the ocean. Our hearts will move with the tide. And we will wake in the morning to see the sun paint the sky. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean.
Okay. How was it?
Good. A little too runny for me, but.
Well, was our mistake. Less milk. Meg?
That's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Ice cream's good? Mm-hmm. Alrighty.